What is up, YouTube? Today we're going to be unboxing the AudioControl DM608 digital sound presser by AudioControl. Let's get to it. Alright, so for you audio bass heads out there, you guys already know you gotta have a digital sound processor for your music. I went with AudioControl because I love the AccuBass and the ease of tuning that you can use. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we got. Off the box here. Let me just show you guys the box in case anybody wants to look at that. And now let's take a look at the actual sound processor. Here it is. Let me go ahead and rip this out of the plastic for you guys. Be nice and careful. And there she is. AudioControl. So your inputs would go in there, and then outputs would go in there. I don't think I have to explain how this works, but if we got any new bass heads in here or someone who wants to learn about sounds, the way this works is it takes signal from your head unit, and then it enhances, cleans up, and optimizes the sound that is going to your 4 channels and your mono block. So here, for example, you got opportunities to have 1, 2, 3 stereo outputs and then 1 mono block, so for your sub, and then you would use this and you can tune this with a computer. So something that I really like here is the AccuBass, as I mentioned before. It makes a complete difference in the way that it sounds. Really cleans it up. This retails for about $600 to $700 if I'm not mistaken, so you are paying a premium for it, but boy is it worth it. It is going to be part of the Tahoe build, so AudioControl does a great job at making these, so I'm excited to have this as part of the build. So yeah, thanks for watching. Slowly but surely we are